Good morning students. In this video I would like to discuss trigonometric functions and complementary angles. So what is the definition of complementary angles? Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Sum of two angles. Sum of two angles. Sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Sum of two angles is 90 degrees is called complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. For example, 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is 90 degrees. These two angles are complementary angles. Like 20 degrees plus 70 degrees, 90 degrees. So sum of two angles is called, if sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then these two angles is called complementary angles. In a triangle, ABC, one right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees. Okay, for example, this is 60 degrees. This is 30 degrees. Angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Angle C is equal to 30 degrees. Sum of these two angles, 60 plus 30, is 90 degrees. Two angles is complementary angles. Okay, like one other example. Complement angle of 20 degrees is dash. Means if you add some number, you will get 90 degrees. What is that? 90 minus 20 is 70. So 70 degrees is called complement angle. Okay, for example, complement angle of 40 degrees is dash. 40 degrees is dash. Means 90 minus 40, how much beta? 50. So 50 degrees. Sum of two angles is 90 degrees. 40 plus 50, 90 only. So like this, 90 minus 40 is 50. Next, complement angle of 60 degrees is dash. 60 plus 30. So 30 is called complement angle. Complement angle of like 45 degrees is dash. 45 degrees only. Complement angle of 10 degrees is dash. So 80. 80 plus 10 is 90. So complement angle of theta is dash. 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Complement angle of x is dash. 90 minus x. So this is about complement angles. Sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then it is called complementary angles. Complement angle of theta is 90 minus theta. Complement angle of x is 90 minus x. Like this we can find out complement angles. Okay, here right angle triangle ABC. Here theta is at C and this is right angle opposite side hypotenuse. And this is theta opposite side, this is adjacent side. We have learned trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, means theta we are observing theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. That means opposite is what beta here AB. AB by hypotenuse is AC. This one we have discussed. And cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC by hypotenuse is AC. This one we have discussed. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. That means opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. This one we have discussed. Then after cot theta, this reciprocal adjacent by opposite, that means BC by AB, BC by AB. This one we have discussed. Next, secant theta hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. That means AC by BC. AC by BC. Next, cosec theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine. So hypotenuse by opposite is equal to AC by AB. This one we have discussed. When we are focusing on theta, now our concept is I want to find out this is theta, then this is 90 minus theta. This is 90 minus theta. Why? Because these two are complementary angles, right? So I want to find out 90 minus theta. Now sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta value I want. Sin 90 minus theta means this is 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is opposite by hypotenuse. This opposite side what we have? Sin 90 minus theta opposite side we have BC. And hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. So BC by AC. BC by AC, which one is having beta? Here we have BC by AC. What is that? Cos theta. Cos theta. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. That means sin 90 minus theta value and cos theta value both are same. Both are equal. Next, say cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta I want. Cos theta formula adjacent by hypotenuse. 90 minus theta, observe it here. This adjacent is this one. AB. AB by hypotenuse is AC. AC. AB by AC. AB by AC where we have here. That is sin theta. Sin theta. Means cos 90 minus theta value is sin theta. It both are equal. Next, tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Opposite side. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is BC. Adjacent is AB. So BC by AB. Where we have BC by AB here. So cot theta. Cot theta. So these are tan 90 minus theta and cot theta. Both are equal. Okay, similarly cot 90 minus theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta we have to find out. Cot 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta adjacent is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC, where we have the AB by AC? AB by AC. Sorry, AB by adjacent by opposite. Sorry, adjacent by opposite. AB by BC. AB by BC. AB by BC means this is tan theta. Tan theta. Okay. Secant 90 minus theta. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is AC. Adjacent is AB. AB by AC. AB by AC. Where we have AB by AC? Secant cos AB by AC. See here, AC by AB, this is cosec theta. Cosec theta, like cosec 90 minus theta, this hypotenuse is AC and opposite is BC. AC by BC. AC by BC is secant theta. Secant theta. So like this we can find out complementary angles. Sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta and cot, secant, cosec. These trigonometric ratios we can find out using this method. I hope this method is very useful to you.